I'd like to help you reduce your pain, inflammation, and swelling. Sometimes using just a simple cold pack may not be as effective as other forms of treatment. Today I'm going to help you with key components to help you with these bumps: inflammation, pain, and swelling, with the use of superficial ice over your tendon, muscle, joint to help you with that swelling. So stay with me and I'll show you a step-by-step process on how to do this. Okay, so the basic ingredients for an ice massage is a small Dixie cup, or you can use a styrofoam cup. And then you also want to use a towel for any drippage. So first, place your cup in the sink, and you want to fill the cup up about 3/4 of the way up. And then we're going to take it to the freezer. Now that we filled the cup 3/4 of the way up, let's go ahead and put it in the freezer. Let's check to see if it's ready. Aha, we've got ice. So now that we have the ice prepared, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to tear it. So now that we filled it 3/4 of the way up, what you wanna do is take the cup, tear it where you're gonna expose about 1/4 of it above the cup. Toss the excess. And now what you're left with is a cup that has the ice exposed, but you have a place to place your hands and you're not gonna get cold on your fingers. So stay tuned and I'm gonna show you how to apply this. Okay, so what you wanna do is place a towel first underneath the affected area, and then you're gonna take the ice, rub it on the affected area for 3 to 5 minutes. There's gonna be stages that you're gonna be feeling, which are burning, tingling, and then numbness. So start off light, and you wanna move in circular motions. You don't wanna stop on any area. We wanna prevent frostbite. So 3 to 5 minutes should be good. I have a posterior tibialis tendinitis. So right now I'm gonna be icing that for the video, so that should feel good. I increase my mileage for running too quickly. So make sure that when you do increase your mileage, you're only going about 10% per week of an increase. Don't try to triple your running distance like me. So 3 to 5 minutes over the affected area. Watch out for any superficial nerves, bony areas that have less tissue, superficial tissue, to protect it. And I'm gonna leave that link for the contraindications and precautions as well. And then once it starts to melt, you can tear it down some more. But I suggest that you actually use a timer, so that way you know exactly when the 5 minutes is up, 3 to 5 minutes. So yeah, I just want to avoid getting frostbite. Keep it continuous. It's best to look up the anatomy before you do ice massage on a certain area, because there are nerves that run in through here that are superficial that you don't want to freeze and cause any injury to. Okay, so I'm going to stop there, dry off. And that's it. Thank you for joining me for this simple and inexpensive form of treatment for any pain, inflammation, and swelling. Stay tuned for other videos. Comment below if you think this would help you and other conditions that you may want me to cover. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you again from Mechanic Shop. So stay tuned and get strong with the Mechanic Shop.